So continuing from our previous video where we had a user memory using Claude Markdown file here, I created a Claude Markdown file for project level memory. So here is another Claude Markdown file that says that this is a Python CLI application. And here is the environment setup. Here is the application and how I want to run this. Here is a testing and quality check. And notice here, I gave a specific preference to this project that since this is a Python project, I use Python underscore as prefix for testing the files for unit testing. And then here is my code structure where I'm being very specific that how I want the project to be organized. And here are the transactions. Another small update that I did here is this one. I'm specifying Python file because this is a Python project. And then I'm specifying the float instead of decimal. Here, for financial precision, I'm using float. Technically, decimal is more precise, but I wanted to highlight the difference between a project level preference and user level preference. So if I execute this project using this memory from the project, it should give preference and create the transactions using float. I will delete everything and create the same project again using the same prompt we used and see how the new project comes up. So I cleaned up everything and now all I have is just one file. I realized that I had to use README file for creating the project, so I reverted that back, which is pretty much the same as before. I'll go ahead and execute this. So this time around, it's executing the details. And here are the summary. We have dependencies, configuration, CLI, application, and a comprehensive test suite with Python underscore test underscore finance tracker as the Python file and not test underscore finance tracker Python file. So this is perfect. And then here are the details that Claude Code is providing how you can, use the project and execute it. This is clearly showing how project level Claude memory takes precedence over a user level Claude memory. Also, let's go ahead and check the decimal versus float. So in here, if you notice, the calculation for the finance tracker is using the float data type and not the decimal one. So this definitely again confirms the fact that local memory was given precedence over the user memory. Thank you.